Hello and welcome to Day 4 of our Windows 10 and 11 operating system guide for 2025. Today, you'll learn how to use the Start menu and Taskbar, two of the most important tools in Windows. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Start menu. Click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu. Step 2. Explore the Start menu layout. In Windows 10, you'll see apps on the left and tiles on the right. In Windows 11, pinned apps appear on top and recent files show below. There's also a search bar to find apps quickly. Step 3. Pin and unpin apps. Right-click any app. Click Pin to start to add it. To remove, right-click again and select Unpin from Start. Step 4. Get to know the taskbar. The taskbar is at the bottom of your screen. It shows open apps, shortcuts, and system icons like sound, Wi-Fi, and time. Step 5. Pin apps to the taskbar. Right-click any open app. Choose Pin to Taskbar. To unpin, right-click the icon and click Unpin from Taskbar. Step 6. Use Task View and Virtual Desktops. Click the Task View button or press Windows and Tab. You can see all open windows. You can also create new desktops for different tasks. That's it. You've just learned how to master the Start menu and taskbar in Windows 10 and 11. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more tips. Join us tomorrow for Day 5, where we'll cover how to install and uninstall apps. Thanks for watching. See you soon.